How to fix this app cannot be installed because the integrity could not be verified on iOS. If you are facing this kind of problem where your device says that the app cannot be installed because of the integrity problem, then follow these steps. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and tap on the option Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, scroll down to the very bottom. Now locate a section named Restrictions and under that click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here select the option Allowed Apps and Features. Inside, make sure that all of these apps are turned on. Now go back to the Settings main page. In Settings main page, scroll down to the bottom and select the option Apps. Here you will find all the applications that are installed on your device. Select the web browser that you use frequently. Inside, scroll down to the bottom. Here, if there are any history or data available, then clear those. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.